Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner, and today we are cooking with Kenya. Okay guys, so I have my chicken here that my husband actually seasoned last night, and he just used some salt, pepper, and a little bit of Tony Chachere's on this. And he seasoned it last night because we were going to cook it last night for dinner, but then we decided to have something else. And so I wanted to season it so that the meat wouldn't go bad, and then we would cook it today. So I'm just going to go ahead and move the chicken over to my large roasting pan. Okay, now that we have the chicken there. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in this bone broth chicken. So I got this from Aldi. It's the Organics brand. And so I'm just going to pour it. It is a 32-ounce carton. So I'm just going to pour that over the chicken. Just kind of around the perimeter because I don't want to rinse all of the seasoning off the chicken. Whoopsies. But I want to just make sure that we have that in there. Okay, so now that we have our broth in there, I am also going to add 2 cans of this cream of chicken condensed soup, and this is a 10.5 ounce can, so I'm going to add 2 cans of this. I'm going to add a little bit of water to both the cans to get all of the goodness out. So once I add the water in, I'll just kind of swish it around and then pour it over the chicken. And then I'm going to cover it and place it in the oven, and my oven's already preheating at 325 degrees. Okay, so I have a little water in here, as you can see, and I just stirring this around, and I'm going to pour it on top. Now guys, this recipe can be made in the slow cooker or in the oven. It's totally up to you. So if you don't have a slow cooker, then you can do this in the oven. I'm using my large roasting pan, but you can use just a deep pan with foil on top if you don't have a roasting pan. So now I'm just going to cover it and put this in the oven and let it cook for about 3 hours. And then I'll check it, and then I'll determine if it needs to go a little bit longer or if it's ready. I usually try to check at least an hour each hour to see how it's going. So okay, we'll be back. So it's been a little over an hour, and as you can see, the chicken is cooking nicely. And yeah, it looks delicious, smells delicious. So I'm just gonna move the chicken around so some of the ones that's at the bottom can come up top, the ones up top can go under the bottom. Then I'm gonna put this back in the oven and let it continue to cook for maybe another hour or so. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours, so I've taken this out of the oven and I let it sit for about 30 minutes in the oven after I turned it off. And here we have our meal. Everything looks delicious. I'm going to serve this over rice. You can use brown rice, white rice, it's totally up to you. So we're gonna have it with rice and a side of mixed greens and corn. So I'll show you the final plating in just a minute. And here's the final plating. Our chicken served over rice with a side of greens and corn. Everything looks delicious, smells delicious, and I'm sure tastes delicious. Okay guys, I hope that you all have enjoyed this easy meal idea. If so, please be sure to click the like button. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. My faithful family members, I love you so much, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.